So how do you save all Google Drive photos to the iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So more ways how you can do this. First of all, when you open up the Google Drive app, right, you can of course make sure to look up the folder or place where you have all of your photos. But the point is that you don't have to download them one by one. You can hold down on the photos individually and select multiple of them, right? So you can just go like that, select as many as you want, and just download them with a click of a button, go to the three dots and then download it, right? So it might work well, right? So that's how you can just look it up, right? But personally, I find it to be much better by integrating Google Drive into the Files app of the iPhone. So you can open up the Files app, go to the main section, go to the browse where you can find all of the different locations. In the top right, tap on the three dots and edit, and make sure you enable the Google Drive right there, which just means that you'll be able to access it but through the files. And in there, you can also just look it up like this. You can literally just type in the extension, like just go to the JPEG images like that, all of them on the drive, right? And you'll be able to select it like any other files in here. So you can tap on the three dots, select, tap on select all, and you'll be able to move it to your local storage if you decide that this is the approach, right? So it's actually much better to select the files through the Files application compared to the Drive app. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you managed to make it work. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll see you later.